Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set ringtone on Android phone. So if you want to change your ringtone on your devices, especially Android phone, it's very easy to do it. You can go to the settings. Here you can try to tap on sound and vibration. Here you can try to adjust your turn on your vibrate on ring, or you want to switch off vibrate on silent mode. And here you can try to increase and decrease your ringtone volume. Again, you can try to scroll down, and here we go. In the ringtone option, you can try to tap it. Here you can set your ringtone easily. You can choose by the system ringtones. This is the default one, so you can try to search one by one a ringtone that suit into your preferences or into your style. And also there is a short ringtones or alert tones. It's shorter than the regular ringtone. And of course you can try to set a custom ringtone. You can select from files. You can tap select from files, and you can choose the music or the ringtone that you already download from the trusted sources into your Android phone. So I repeat, if you want to change your ringtone on your phone, you can try to change it in the settings on your Android phone. You can access settings now, then you can scroll down, you can try to search sound and vibration. You can scroll down and try to find ringtone option. Here we go. You can type it. Here you can try to choose the default ringtone by the system, or like a short ringtone by the alert tones, same for the default by the system, or you can select from files. Here you can add a custom ringtone. You can add your favorite music in to become your ringtones. And of course, if you go back here, you can try to change message tone, not only ringtone or dial tone. And of course you can change notification sound too here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the next button below. See you in the next video.